here we are with our first two test subjects on the right. I chose a mason jar, a Canadian mason jar. It has some writing on it. I heard it looks pretty cool when you slump it. It's unique because of that. We're going for a slumping technique that's going to turn this into an art piece. And then this one, you can see the texture on it. It's a very different piece. And what's going to happen is these are going to be laid flat in the kiln. I'm just going to take these over to the kiln right now. Here's all my programming stuff. And my program has already been entered. I have to follow a strict set of guidelines to make sure that everything heats up and cools down properly. And I already used kiln wash. You see the circle thing in the middle is a ceramic piece that ensures that you don't do any damage to your kiln when you use glass. I expect these to, I'm going to place this one down right here for now. And I'm going to place this one down with the letters to me. And I'm going to give them as much room as I possibly can on the outside, as you can see. I want to give them as much room as possible. So the placement is nice on these. A bit apart from each other. And then what's going to happen is these are going to flatten out and melt down a little bit. And I have heard of people using these as cheese trays, as butter, as like knife holders, it's cutlery holders. There's many different uses for these. You can even paint on them or something after they're done. My program is entered, so this is my first actual test of melting glass. This is glass slumping as opposed to glass fusing. Glass fusing is where you actually melt the glass down completely and then you attempt to fuse it together. Perhaps I can try that at a later date. But I'm going to have to see how this experiment goes first. I'm just going to move that over a little bit. And then, so this is my starting project here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to close this kiln. Got to unlock the leash. Eee. 1 second. It'll be easier with 2 hands. Throw it down. Off. Yes. So here we go. The kiln is locked. This is ready to go. The program is ready to go. I'm just gonna hit start.